see this a lot in the forums and on Facebook groups, and in fact, DJs ask me this kind of stuff on a regular basis. But I'll give you an example. A guy was talking online about a fog machine that he had that had a leak on it, and it was leaking on the dance floor and around where he was. So online he goes, so how do I fix that? How do I get this thing? I've had it for like 15 years and it's been really good to me. I just want to fix it. How do I fix it? And he got a lot of advice from a lot of people online. By the way, this is Bill, this Creative License. Be sure to be nice to our sponsors, Electro Voice, and of course my workshop, the Entertainment Experience. Come be a part of it. But the advice that he got, well, they do this and do that and fix this and fix that. This is, you get this right kind of screwdriver. That's kind of okay. So he got advice on how to fix it. My take and the perspective that I look at it is, you've had the thing for 15 years. It's leaking. People can see that it's leaking. And if it's leaking, they can see that it's 15 years old. And from the perspective of your client, you've got old gear. It may work just fine, but if they can see it, it's old. And if you've had it for 15 years, you paid the rent on 15 years of that gear. You got your money out of it. Why haven't you bought something new? Why aren't you upgrading your stuff? I mean, when you don't, our stuff starts to look raggedy. Okay, I like my stuff, I'm really good with it, and I've had some speakers as long as 15, 20 years, but it looks brand new. But honestly, it's dated. The design is dated, it starts to look dated, and now I look like I'm bringing nothing but old stuff. From the perspective of the DJ, it sounds great. From my perspective, it works perfect. Why should I switch? Well, guess what? They can see you. They can see me. Okay, and that perception, what they see is the reality of how they experience you. Okay, they might get past the fact you have old gear if you're really, really talented, but they certainly will not if you're average or you're just playing music. Now they've got this big thing that they see all the time, old stuff, raggedy stuff, frayed tuxedo, a dirty collar. Those things are easily fixed. And if you're making money at this, you have the money to reinvest in your company, and the simplest way you can do it is to get new equipment, to get things that look as great as they sound. That's my perspective on it, because that's my clients' perspective, and that's what they see, and what they see is your reality. What do you think of this? Write about it in the comments below. Send me an email, bill@billherman.com. Come to my house and smack me in the head and tell me I'm wrong. I'm okay. Come do it. Until next week, I'm Bill, and this has been Creative License. Peace.